Hey, we're here with Jack Dressen, right here with the Rock Solid Stone Roofing Company. Good to see you, Jack. How's it going today?
It's going good.
Yeah, tell me about your company.
So we're a commercial roofing company located in Azusa, Southern California. We mostly focus on re-roofing and new construction, low-slope roofing. But we also have a service department that started up a few years ago. So we have a good preventative maintenance program with a lot of people, and we also service. We take care of emergency leak tickets, that kind of thing.
How long have you guys been in business?
91 years. We just celebrated 90 years last year, so that was pretty exciting. Yeah.
Amazing. How do you like coming out to Pasadena, this huge convention?
It's pretty fun. I just got to give a little seminar this morning. People here are really nice. Lots of good things to see out here.
Good job, good job. We appreciate that. So when it comes to commercial roofing, what's so important about preventive maintenance?
Well, we want to help you get the most out of your roof investment, right? So we want to make sure that warranty is maintained, keep your roof protecting your most valuable assets inside your building and your building itself. And we want to catch those small problems before they become big problems. Everybody wants to see that smaller bill, right?
Absolutely. And when you have a property manager or an owner, what do they look for when they're looking for a commercial roofing company like yourself? What's important?
Finding a contractor that actually knows what they're doing is everything. You want to make sure that they're licensed, first of all, and you want to make sure that they're certified for your specific roof. And you want to make sure that they're open about their communication. You want a roofer that's going to support you, not work against you.
So some key takeaways with stone roofing. Why are you probably one of the best in the business?
I think we're really good at communication. We offer premium services for buildings that require premium service.
Perfect. Good to meet you. Great job.
Yep.
Great job.